Are you ready to grow your audience, expand your influence, and connect with coaches, speakers, podcasters, and more, all while cruising in luxury? Welcome aboard the Podcaster's Cruise. This is more than just an event. It's an experience. Imagine a week of powerful networking, exclusive mastermind sessions, and high-impact opportunities to get booked, get sponsored, and get seen. On the Podcaster's Cruise, we dive into everything digital marketers need to amplify their message and grow their brand. From launching and monetizing a top-ranked podcast to expanding your reach with YouTube, best-selling books, and social media, we cover it all. Learn to leverage AI, maximize visibility, and turn content into cash, all while building profitable connections that'll last a lifetime. Crystal clear waters, a catamaran full of amazing people, and the adventure of a lifetime. On the Podcaster's Cruise, it's not just about business, it's about experiencing the world together. From snorkeling in paradise to exploring exotic ports of call, every excursion is a chance to connect, recharge, and create unforgettable memories. Ready to sail on your next big opportunity? Let's go. From insightful workshops to beachfront masterminds, this is where business meets adventure. Deals happen over dinner, partnerships over cocktails, and the connections you make here, well, they last a lifetime. Don't miss your chance to play bigger, grow faster, and have the time of your life doing it. Step aboard and take the ultimate stage at sea. Speak, collaborate, and build relationships with coaches, speakers, and podcasters who are ready to amplify your voice.
This is where business gets done.
Join us on the Podcaster's Cruise.